It's kind of awful just talking to myself, but here we go. So I am doing a camp-inspired tutorial from Party in My Dorm for a contest. It's pretty exciting. I make a lot of those faces, but I'm not a pro at gluing down my eyebrows, so let's just see if we can get this together. This, I think this one has caffeine in it. It's 1 in the morning, I don't need caffeine, but my eyeballs do. My mother uses this, so if it's good enough for mom, it should be good enough for me. Now, primer. I still don't understand this voodoo magic, but I use 2 primers. In these tutorials have like color corrected their skin. Girl, good on you, because I don't understand that magic. I'm happy enough that I put primer on. When I put this on, because I feel like the rest of my skin will be pretty, maybe. Please be. Yes, look like a turtle. Now I don't know how to make a turtle face, but it was there a minute ago. You saw it. Okay. Just because a sponge has fuller coverage. Yes. I don't understand. One time when I bought makeup, they told me, you want to do this. I think it has something to do along with those how to contour, but don't quote me on that. Because right now I look like an alien, which might help with the camp factor, but also could hurt my chances. I taught my grandma about trap music today. Not that I know anything about trap music, I know nothing. But my confidence in this look has gone down. The one thing I know is my lips. I did not know my lips, so excuse the bottom half of my face for the majority of this. Okay, so we're gonna open up the third eye. Okay, so regret! This is happening. So I'm just putting primer because I want it to be smooth and I want it to pop. With these eyebrows. So I want to see where the natural line goes. That is the face of doubt. We are now going to do the eye. So I think I made a huge mistake. Okay. This shows you I'm not any kind of professional because I'm taking this off. But that's okay. You're allowed. I'm allowed to change my mind. Okay, try this. I'm Yowassupphish from Party in My Dorm. This is my tutorial on how to achieve this stunning look, well, campy look. Inspired by Party in My Dorm, actually. I feel like a crazy person looking at myself right now, but that's okay. So as you can see, I was inspired by this wallpaper, so I tried to do a lot of circles, and that's one of my favorite posters. And I love kind of the graphicness of the Black Magic couch. Who doesn't? And my lips are inspired by the geode rug as well as the nightstand, because I kind of like that shape, but I also like the layer of colors. So I've been playing Party in My Dorm since the end of February, so a few months. I really enjoy it because I find out something new every single week, whether it's how to upgrade my dorms, trading furniture. I just recently learned PvP, and I just learned cat clubs. So I just like, because it can be anything you want it, wherever you want to take it. If you want to role play, that's cool. It's not my thing, but other people come for it. I get to talk to so many people. My favorite thing to do on the game is to buy and trade things, especially furniture. That's my jam. I love looking at old hunts, and I love hunting and gathering, and I get to talk to so many people, and I love helping people find what they need. It's just, Party My Dorm is a game that is more than just a game. It's a community, and that's what I'm really starting to find out, is that if you are nice and talk to other people and help other people out, you get so much more out of this game. That's where I'm at. I had a girl across the globe who helped me with my French before my final. I've talked to people about dogs who have passed or pets who have passed and connected that way. I just feel like it's more than just playing the game. It's a community of people who are brought together through something, through this platform, and it's an amazing experience.